What makes Lowe's a leading player in the home improvement industry? Lowe's has continuously evolved with a focus on innovation, sustainability, and excellent customer service. In this video, we'll dive into Lowe's Companies, Inc., one of the largest home improvement retailers in the world. We'll cover their mission, vision, and financial success, while also exploring their future growth potential and how they're shaping the home improvement industry with innovations and sustainability initiatives. Founded in 1946, Lowe's has become one of the largest home improvement retailers in the U.S. With a mission to help people love where they live, Lowe's continues to provide exceptional products and services for homeowners, builders, and professionals alike. Mission: to help people love where they live by providing the tools, products, and services needed to complete home improvement projects. Vision: to be the trusted partner for all home improvement needs, offering innovative solutions to our customers worldwide. In 2022, Lowe's generated $96 billion in revenue and continues to demonstrate impressive profitability with an EPS of $13.79. Lowe's is led by Marvin Ellison, a visionary CEO known for transforming the company through innovative technology and customer-first solutions. Lowe's is set for continued growth by enhancing its digital platform, expanding into new regions, and introducing innovative products to the market. Lowe's is making significant strides in sustainability with green energy projects, waste reduction, and a focus on eco-friendly products. Lowe's flagship products include appliances, lawn and garden products, and home decor. They are also leading the charge in offering smart home and energy-efficient solutions. Lowe's is one of the top home improvement retailers in the U.S. with a strong market position and a growing digital presence. Lowe's enjoys a positive reputation for excellent customer service and quality products, making it a trusted brand for homeowners and professionals alike. Investors have confidence in Lowe's strong performance, particularly with its forward-looking digital strategy and market leadership. Lowe's is subject to risks from market fluctuations, consumer spending habits, and competition from other home improvement retailers. Changes in building material costs and supply chain disruptions could impact profitability. Lowe's continues to innovate with smart home products, eco-friendly solutions, and a seamless customer experience, both online and in store. Sustainability is at the core of Lowe's operations, making a positive impact on both the environment and the company's future. Want to stay updated on the latest trends in home improvement and retail? Subscribe to learn more about Lowe's innovative strategies and growth potential. Is Lowe's the future of home improvement? With its commitment to innovation, sustainability, and customer satisfaction, Lowe's is certainly a key player to watch in the home improvement space.